Have you ever wondered why some people develop dementia? Did you know that what you eat can have a direct impact on your brain health? Today, we will explore 10 foods that, according to scientific studies, can increase the risk of developing dementia. Ready to find out which ones and how you can protect your brain and mental health? Fasten your seatbelt. We are starting a journey into the world of nutrition and neurology. It is important that you watch this video until the end because you will discover exactly how your diet, what you eat every day, can influence the risk of dementia. First, what is dementia? Dementia is not a specific disease, but a general term that describes a set of symptoms associated with a decline in cognitive function. This decline is severe enough to interfere with a person's ability to perform daily activities. Symptoms of dementia can include difficulties with memory, thinking, problem-solving, language skills, and even changes in behavior and personality. Dementia is caused by various diseases and injuries that affect the brain, such as Alzheimer's disease, which is the most common cause. Other forms include vascular dementia, due to small strokes in the brain, and Lewy body dementia, characterized by the presence of protein abnormalities in neurons. There are also types of reversible dementia, caused by infections, vitamin deficiencies, or thyroid problems, which can improve with appropriate treatment. As we age, the risk of developing dementia increases, but it is not a normal part of aging. Many research efforts are currently directed towards better understanding the causes of dementia, how to prevent it, and how to best manage the symptoms to improve the quality of life for those affected. So let's look at the 10 foods that could be linked to an increased risk of developing dementia when consumed in excess or as part of an unbalanced diet. 1. Alcohol. Let's start with alcohol. Research has shown that excessive alcohol consumption can damage the brain, leading to memory loss and accelerating cognitive decline. An article published in The Lancet Psychiatry highlights that alcohol is neurotoxic and can cause structural changes in the brain. 2. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and sweets, can cause blood sugar spikes. Studies like those from the University of Toronto link these spikes to an increased risk of dementia, defining them as contributing factors to so-called type 3 diabetes, a form of dementia related to insulin resistance. 3. Red and processed meats. Consuming too much red and processed meat has been linked to a higher risk of dementia. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights how substances such as nitrites and nitrates used to preserve these meats can affect brain health. 4. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks have been linked to an increased risk of developing dementia. According to an article in Alzheimer's and Dementia, sugar can overload the liver and lead to insulin resistance, a risk factor for dementia. 5. Ultra-processed snacks. Ultra-processed snacks not only contribute to obesity, but according to a study in JAMA, they can also increase the risk of dementia due to their high levels of sugars, saturated fats, and additives. 6. Margarine and trans fats. Margarine and other foods containing trans fats can impair brain function. Research has shown that trans fats can cause inflammation and degradation of brain cells. 7. Highly processed cheeses. Highly processed cheeses can also be problematic. Studies suggest that high levels of saturated fats and sodium can negatively affect brain health and accelerate cognitive decline. 8. Fried foods. Fried foods are known for their high content of trans and oxidized fats, which have been linked to neurological damage. Research published in Neurology has shown that frequent consumption of fried foods can be associated with a higher risk of dementia. 9. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame can be problematic for the brain. Animal studies suggest that they can disrupt neural signals and potentially contribute to neurodegeneration. Before proceeding with the last and most important point, if you are interested in understanding how some foods can help you better preserve your health and youth, watch our video. If you want to stay young and healthy, eat 3 anti-aging fruits every day. Find the link in the description. Let's continue. 10. Fast food. Rich in calories, saturated fats, and salt, fast food has been associated with various health problems, including dementia. A study published in Public Health Nutrition shows a correlation between high consumption of fast food and an increased risk of developing dementia. Having come this far, you are probably still asking yourself one question, given the thumbnail of this video. What about strawberries? Strawberries themselves are not considered a food that can cause dementia. On the contrary, they are rich in important nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, such as flavonoids. These components can have beneficial effects on health, including brain health. Antioxidants help combat free radical damage and inflammation, which are associated with cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like dementia. However, it is important to consider that strawberries can be a fruit highly contaminated with pesticides, as indicated by the annual Dirty Dozen lists published by the Environmental Working Group. Long-term exposure to pesticides has been associated with an increased risk of health problems, including neurological ones. Therefore, if strawberries are a regular part of your diet, it might be a good idea to opt for organic strawberries to reduce exposure to pesticide residues. As you can see, diet plays a crucial role in the prevention of dementia and in caring for our mental health. Changing your eating habits can be a powerful tool to protect the health of our brain. Remember, it is important to always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. To watch our video, if you want to stay young and healthy, eat 3 anti-aging fruits every day. Click now on the top right of the screen. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover how nutrition influences our brain health. If you found this video helpful, please leave us your valuable like and subscribe to the Pearls of Wisdom channel for more content like this. Also, share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. See you in the next video.